Do you want sharper photos on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? There's a setting that makes your camera wait until the subject is properly focused before taking the picture. Let me show you how to enable it. First, open the Camera Assistant app. Under the focus section, find prioritize focus over speed, and then turn this on. With this enabled, your phone will wait for the camera to finish focusing before triggering the shutter. This can help you capture sharper and more accurate photos. However, keep in mind that this may slightly delay the shutter. As a note, you can also access the Camera Assistant app from the Camera Settings menu. And that's how you make your photo sharper by prioritizing focus on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.